I started out my adult career in full-time ministry. I was in a lot of inner city work. I worked a lot with the homeless. I was in Toledo for a while working with inner city kids there. Once I got my degree and transitioned into Teen Challenge, I was in Teen Challenge for about seven to 10 years. I dealt with a lot of kids with addictions and anxiety issues and cutting and all those sorts of things. That a lot of the things that the kids dealt with stemmed from issues within the marriage, within the family unit, and so I then switched my focus from individuals to more family focused type solutions and treatment. I've been working on this curriculum for the last year, and I'm really excited about it because, like I said before, it's something I don't see anyone else teaching, and I've seen it work in my sessions, and I want to give this to the public and to people, and I kind of want to make a crusade out of this because I really believe in this philosophy that I want to teach. And the curriculum will be broken down into 3 parts, where we talk about what conflict is, what my philosophy is in solving it. Then we'll break up into smaller groups where people will practice what we've learned and then come back and follow up with questions and answers of things they've learned through the small group time. I'm really excited about this, and I'm anxious to get this thing finished so that I can give it to the people. I do love counseling. I love counseling, especially with couples, and the thing that brings me more joy than anything is that aha moment in both individuals where they become so much more self-aware of themselves, learning how to be comfortable with themselves, comfortable being wrong, comfortable with being able to give a compliment, but just that moment where they learn who they are, instead of always trying to blame someone else for what they're doing wrong. I do love having an office here in Celebration because even the people that come from outside of Celebration to my office, they come here, and as soon as they drive into our little town, they automatically start feeling more at peace, and they'll step up on my porch and into the office and seeing the environment around, and it invites peace and tranquility, if I can use that word, as cheesy as that may sound. But I remember a guy sitting down on this couch, biggest manly man you'd ever seen, tattoos from head to toe because he was a tattoo artist, and just bawling his eyeballs out, and then sitting back and then going, this is the most peaceful place I have ever been in my entire life. And I just love how peaceful it is here in Celebration.